I'm interviewing Taral Patel. She is the director of the Banyan Club. Taral, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi Tapali, I'm Taral Patel. I am the director of the Banyan Club. The Banyan Club is an organization founded by me, and it is mainly an organization for children and for mothers. The whole aim of the organization is to create and run different kinds of activities which are mainly creative, which help children in increasing their creative thinking, problem solving skills, building their basic skills, making them have fun. So it's basically kind of a fun place where children can come and spend their time creatively.
We actually all love children, no? Taral, can you please, you know about a project. The project which I'm doing with, this is a collaborative project, and I wanted to know, what is your dream?
My dream is to create innovative activities. Like, that's what I do. I try and create new programs for children, which not only the children can enjoy, but they have to learn along with enjoying, and they have to be creative programs, not very academic related, but more of non-academic and creative programs. So I want to do more and more of those programs. And also one of the ideas is also to help mothers. So I want to develop certain programs which are related with mothers, help mothers also, and where they also can develop their creativity along the way.
This institute was basically a dream of yours.
Yes.
So this is a dream fulfilled, you feel?
Yes, definitely, and it is a very exciting thing for me, because every day I'm learning something new. Every day new things are being thought of and new things are being planned. So it is very exciting and very good for me.
Taral, do you have any recurring dream?
Which keeps on coming?
Yes. Of life.
I do have, like, not like exactly like a dream, but there are thoughts which occur to me. More of my own growth. I feel like I have really not achieved what I want to achieve, and I feel like I really want to grow more and more. And mainly is, I don't know, sometimes I feel I don't know where I want to go and where I'm going. So I think that is one of the main recurring thoughts, or kind of an afterthought. Even if I'm dreaming, that would be kind of in my dream also, something like that would be there. Like, I don't know where I'm going, but sometimes I feel that I'm not going in the right direction, and sometimes I feel that yes, this is the way whatever way I'm going is the right way, But the feeling is always there that I've not reached where I want to reach.
Yeah, because you're very young also now, so there is a long way to go, basically.
So that is something I always have. Actually, I had a dream once where I was like a gypsy, and it stayed with me because it was very exciting for me to imagine that and to dream about that. Where I was like a gypsy who was traveling from one place to the other and never stable at one place. And it matches kind of my longing to be that, because my life, I have always been more or less rooted to a particular place, or to a particular thing. And I always wanted to be not rooted to a fixed place, and always float around, always go from place to place, and never have like a connection with one place. So I had a dream where I was like that, and where I was traveling from one place to the other and doing and experiencing different things.
Okay, thanks a lot, Taral. Thank you for being a part of the project. Thank you.
Thank you.